Hey everyone, welcome back to CyberTech Guard. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been wreaking havoc in the digital world: ransomware. We'll explore what ransomware is, some of the most notorious attacks of 2024, and how you can protect yourself. Let's get started. So, what exactly is ransomware? Ransomware is a type of malicious software that encrypts your files or locks you out of your system until a ransom is paid to the attacker. It can infiltrate your computer through phishing emails, malicious downloads, or exploiting vulnerabilities in your software. Once the ransomware takes hold, it can quickly spread across networks, making it a nightmare for both individuals and organizations. The attackers typically demand payment in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, making it hard to trace. Here's a breakdown of how a typical ransomware attack works. Infiltration: it usually starts with a phishing email that tricks you into clicking a malicious link or downloading an infected attachment. Execution: the ransomware is then executed, often exploiting system vulnerabilities to gain access. Encryption: it starts encrypting files or locking the system, leaving you with a ransom note. Demand: the attackers demand a ransom to decrypt your files or unlock your system. Paying the ransom doesn't guarantee you'll get your data back. 2024 has seen some major ransomware attacks. Here are a few that stood out. Attack on XYZ Corporation. This attack crippled one of the largest corporations, resulting in a massive data breach and millions in ransom payments. Hospital network breach. Several hospitals were hit, causing significant disruptions to medical services and compromising patient data. Government agency compromise. A government agency's critical infrastructure was targeted, highlighting the vulnerabilities in public sector cybersecurity. These attacks have highlighted the critical need for robust cybersecurity measures and the importance of being prepared. Now, let's talk about how you can protect yourself from ransomware attacks. Regular backups. Keep regular backups of your important data on a separate device or cloud storage. This ensures you can restore your files without paying the ransom. Update software. Always keep your operating system and software up to date to protect against vulnerabilities. Use antivirus software. Reliable antivirus software can detect and block ransomware before it infects your system. Be wary of phishing. Be cautious with emails and links from unknown sources. Verify the sender before clicking on any links or downloading attachments. Enable multi-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your accounts, making it harder for attackers to gain access. If you do get infected with ransomware, here are the steps you should take. Disconnect from the network. Immediately disconnect your device from the network to prevent the ransomware from spreading. Report the incident. Notify your IT department or a cybersecurity professional. Do not pay the ransom. Paying the ransom doesn't guarantee you'll get your data back and encourages more attacks. Use decryption tools. Check for available decryption tools from trusted cybersecurity organizations. Restore from backup. If you have a backup, restore your files and ensure the ransomware is completely removed from your system. Ransomware is a serious threat, but with the right precautions and knowledge, you can protect yourself and your data. Stay vigilant, keep your systems updated, and always back up your important files. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cybersecurity tips and updates. Stay safe out there. Until next time, this is Davian, signing off from CyberTech Guard.